Hey guys, just wanted to show you a couple things that might help you in your classroom. The first thing is just as a reminder, on the top left of your screen, there is a forced district bookmark. If you go to that and go to instructional resources and instructional coaching, you can see that under here, if we go to instructional strategies, I'm just going to refer to one of these instructional strategies, and one of those that we're going to focus on today is reflection. So I have reflection right here, and I've actually already opened it in another tab. So the different ways that we can reflect in our classroom include metacognitive writing prompts, reflective journals, anecdotal conference notes, peer feedback, assignment revisions, and goal setting. So, one of the tools that I like to use a lot is Canva. And what I want everyone to be aware of is Canva is this website here, and it's canva.com. You can actually get a free membership to this that has all the bells and whistles to it. It's the as an educator, you can get everything for free. So I just want to show you a couple things in Canva that will help you with those instructional practices that I just talked about. So first of all, when you're in Canva, you can, if you're at the home page, you can go here and you'll notice that there's this tab that says templates, and there's educational templates here. So if I just click on templates and I go here, I can scroll down and I can actually browse by subject. There's marketing, business, math, design, science, art, English, social studies, computer science. There's also classroom decor kits. And then it also starts to give me suggestions of things that I've already looked for in the past. So I'm going to click into this Discover Templates, and I'm going to start with writing prompts because that is one of our instructional strategies that I just named. And I want you to see that there are dozens of different writing prompts in here that are ready to use, but you can also go in and you can modify them to make them for what you want to use in your classroom. Another one that goes with the reflection is actually reflection, and some reflection worksheets or templates in here. They've got that again are already made. Some are more elementary and some are more upper level, but you can see that there are plenty that are already pre-made. But again, by giving our kids these reflective prompts, it allows them to think about their thinking. And then student conferencing is another one. So if I type in student conference, this one doesn't have as many options, but over here there's a parent-teacher conference, but then also, again, a student reflection. So those are things that you can use in your classroom. Finally, let's see what else we have here. Oh, peer feedback, where they are giving one another feedback on projects or things in class. If we click that in, there's these little kind of shout out cards that are peer observation cards, but then there's also posters that talk about what a feedback model is with learning. And so this gives, these are good anchor charts. And then also you can see the visible learner gives kids ideas on what different types of feedback they can give one another. Let's see what else. An assignment tracker. So if I put in assignment, because again, when we talk about an assignment tracker, it's the idea that the kids are given an assignment and then you have a conference with them and then they track what they can improve or what they need to do. So there are assignment trackers on here and planners. They can be as detailed as this study session here. Or as minimal as just one of these actual assignment trackers where it's just the course, the assignment, and then the due date, and then a place for notes or just the fact that it's been completed. And let's see, finally, goal setting. And that is one more reflective practice. And like I said, they've got all different types on here, and you can modify those any way that you want. So I just wanted you to know that those things are in there for that instructional strategy, and you of course can modify them and make them your own. So hope this helps. Talk to you soon.